Hi, M5600. Please introduce yourself.
Good day. My name is Jennifer Aguilar. I am married. I am 42 years old. I'm college graduate.
Of what course?
Associate of Office Management.
And your religion?
I am a Christian.
Do you have children?
Yes, I have one daughter.
Okay. Since I saw that you have experience being a helper here in the Philippines, tell me about your experience as a helper.
So as a helper, I do household chores. I do laundry, cleaning the house, cooking, and also taking care of the baby. And
Okay. And you have another experience in Saudi Arabia, right?
yes,
For almost 11 years.
yes.
Okay. What are your main duty as a helper in Saudi?
My main duty in Saudi Arabia is cooking, household chores, also cleaning, washing the clothes, washing the dishes, and taking care also the children of 15, 16, 17.
Okay. Since I saw that you have experience taking care of a newborn, how do you prepare a milk for a newborn baby?
First, I see to it my hands is clean. Then I sterilize the bottle. And then I put a good amount of milk and warm water. Then I will mix it nice. Then I will check the temperature and then I will give it to the baby.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
First, I will check the diaper if it's full. And then I will check the temperature if she's hot.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you check the temperature and also the diaper and everything that you have done to the baby to make her stop doesn't work, what will you do?
First, I will call the parents to ask what will I do.
Okay, you will ask what you should do to the baby because the baby doesn't stop to cry, right? Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because Hong Kong is more higher salary than other country and also the safest country.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
If if the employer likes me and they want me to stay, then I will.
So it is okay to you to extend your contract.
Yes.
Okay. What will you do if there is someone outside the house of your employer telling that they were a relatives or they were fixing something inside the house and they want to go inside? What will you do?
First, I will ask my employer that there is somebody outside, so that they will know, and I will let them get inside if my employer not allow
Okay.
me.
Not allow you that they were going inside because it's too dangerous to entertain some people that you don't know, right? So you have to first call your employer, right? Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
Yes.
Okay, what kind of Chinese food can you prepare?
Uh, Steamed fish, stir fried, uh, stir fried vegetables, salads, soup.
Okay.
Vegetables.
And how do you know to prepare Chinese food?
By looking at the YouTube tutorial.
You were watching on YouTube tutorial so that you learn how to prepare Chinese food. Okay, if your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar of, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes.
Okay, it is okay to you to share jobs or the helper.
Yes.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes.
It is okay to you to take care of pets.
Yes.
How about taking care of elderly?
Yes.
Okay, if your employer wants you to work on Sunday or on a holiday setup, it is okay with you.
Yes.
How about cutting your hair into short?
Yes.
It is okay to you to learn Cantonese if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English.
Yes.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
Please hire me because I will do my job so that you will satisfy my work, and then I will taking care of your whole family and children, and I hope that you will hire me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Jennifer. Thank you.
Thank you.